Evening, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics, laying down on the job again. It's Monday. I had a SEA Alpha to put together. I made a video on that, just to how the dash worked and all that good stuff. Anyway, here we go. We're going to turn it around. I have my 99 Beaver, usually Monday set aside for my RV, which is rare. There we go. I'll turn around and show you what happened. I was driving down the road back from Myrtle Beach this late March, early May. And I looked in the mirror up there while I was driving and saw this happening. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So it finally broke after 22 years. So I'm gonna get up under here, put you on pause, and need a flashlight. All right, so the aluminum thing, I'm gonna clean it off, sand it with sandpaper, clean this where it was already epoxied once. I think it broke. Yeah, I fixed this. Now it's coming back there. I fixed it. That part was off center. All right, so clean that up. I'm going to use this adhesive here. Let me see. Put you on pause. I'll get it set up for you. Wait a minute. I'll tell you what it is. There you go. It's a speed grip. All right. Norton speed grip. It comes in different, that's 1 minute. They got a 5 minute, I think. And let me tell you something, don't get this stuck on you. There you go. All right, so put it on pause. I want to sand it down. I got a 400 grit sandpaper to get that aluminum cleaned up, get my surface grabbing. I'll use rubbing alcohol, let it dry, and then I'll put it in the gun. See right here, this little channel right there, you screw this nozzle on. That's the mixing nozzle. Okay, there's two pieces to it. All right, so let me see. Put you on pause. So it lines up in the slide. Then we push the pocket in. All right, it's just kind of like a caulking gun, but it's made exclusively for this. Now, trust me, you got 1 minute when you heave this, okay? And then I got a clamp. All right, I'm going to pre-measure the clamp, make sure it's tight, ready to go, so I don't have to worry about it that much. Put you on pause for a setup. All right, so the clamp is preset for the thickness of right here, and that'll get it back together, and I'll let it stay on there like an hour, but trust me, in 1 minute this stuff holds. It's like a super glue for body. It's a 3M product you can use. All right, I'm slowly working on it. I'm probably going to do another video on the hurricane hydronic heating system, preventive maintenance. I'll clean it all apart, take the burner out, nozzle, show you a little stone filter. But that's pretty much it. Just want to show you that today. I'm out here working on my baby, which doesn't happen all the time. Thank you very much. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. What's the motto? You're right. Test, not guess. And what's the other saying? Safe travels, and may the campfires burn bright till we meet again. Where will we meet? Possibly here at RV Diagnostics, 22480 BLOXOM School Road, SEAFORD, Delaware, 19973. Please just don't show up. It's a garage and a school. I got 50 amp service. I got 30. I got water and sewage. There you go. Email me at jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. Set up an appointment. You could join the ever-growing over 28,000 Facebook page RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. The other place you can meet me is one-on-one. You can get my telephone number too. 101, right? Oh, I'm sorry. One-on-one troubleshooting. Get away, cat. At RV Diagnostics website, www.rvdiagnostics.com. Please go to the website, and if you don't join, and there's testimonial videos, go ahead and link. Plus, there's another link that goes to the YouTube channel. Plus, there's another link that goes to the Facebook page. So through that website, you can link up to all the other ones. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Right now, the membership yearly fee on the website only is $112 a year. Folks, that's $9.30 a month. That's cheap insurance. No, you can't buy it by the month. $112 a year. You know, there you go. That's pretty cheap. And if you look at the testimonial video, there's thousands of them. I think my web designer only put like 10 or 12 on there. I don't know. Yeah, I just tell him put some on there. Thank you very much, y'all. Safe travels. May campfire burn bright.